What's up, everybody? In this video, what I have here today is a set of like outdoor solar landscape lights. And check these things out. This is a 4-pack that I've ordered, and it's by the company XMCOSY, and I have used their outdoor patio lights. These are 3 adjustable modes on these, and you can angle them up and down, and it has the solar powered on and off, so they come on when the sun goes down, go off when the sun comes up. So you're using 0 electricity, and the installation and like all that of these are super easy. I'm gonna put one right there and one on that corner and kind of face the garden. So they're technically gonna be like garden light up lights. So here we go. First thing you get a set of instructions. There's a 2-pack, a 4-pack, and a 6-pack. Well, we've got the 4-pack, but you know what? I just looked over the instructions. Those are done. So let's open this up. Very nicely packaged. That's a lot of like foam, styrofoam in there. Okay, it looks like you get some sort of base right there. And that's the light itself. Wow, these things look very premium. This does not look like those cheap lights you'd get at a box store. Look at the premium. These things look really good. So there's it. Look at the size of that solar panel and how bright that light looks. Look at that. That looks good. So there's 2 right here. And it looks like you've got an option to like screw them into a wall and screw them into the side of your house or something. And that's the decoration in the middle. They have this cool decoration. I do know this. It goes kind of right there in the middle, and that's how I'm going to run it, just like that. So there's actually the entire setup, and we'll see how that looks tonight when the lights come on, but that's it. And then you just kind of stick that down in the ground. It's exactly the same on both of them. Yeah, so that's all that's in there. We'll go ahead and put all this stuff back in there, and I'll throw that away. So let me go ahead and set these up real quick. If you want to go higher with them, just like that. So that way, that's basically all that really is an extender in the middle. So you see how that looks? If I wanted to extend them up, that would be an extender, but I don't think I need that, honestly. So looking at the bottom, you got number 1 is the Smart IC Auto Mode. You got 2 times, to hit the button twice, you get a low brightness mode. Hit it 3 times, you get a high brightness mode, and then 4 times it turns the unit off. So there's once. They might have to charge. I don't think these are charged up. So I'm gonna set them up real quick and let them get a quick charge before the sun goes down. All right, I set the other ones up out that way. So I think this is, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna light up this little walkway by my front gate. So I had to add the extension to this one. I've lined the solar panel where the sun comes over, where it's gonna maximize it, and see how that's adjustable. So I could go straight down and light up, or I could go at an angle. So starting off, we're gonna go at like an angle and see how that lights up this front like little walkway that I have here. So let's go ahead and let's click over to the nighttime and see what these look like now. So let's go to nighttime now. Do they not look awesome? That looks really cool. There's an adjustable head here. I've got it right here on the walkway. You can go all the way up with it like that and shine up. And this part right here lights up, and I didn't even know that. So that decorative item right there lights up. I'm gonna run it about like that, and you can see how it shines on the walkway. I'll go kind of like that. And there you go, it just kind of like lights up this area. I do have other lights, but I turned them off for the purpose of this video here. I've got 2 more in the back. They shine really good, so yeah, let's go check those out now. Look how cool that looks. Let me back up here. It's just shining up on the trees right there. Looks really good. You can see how these things light up nicely. Highly recommend these for anybody that's just kind of wanting to decorate out on a garden or around, like say around the sides of a house. That's all I got today, everybody, on the outdoor solar landscape lights. See you guys in the next video. Woo!